Part number LTCSS-100 is a 1-inch stainless steel liquid tight connector. When you're installing liquid tight conduit in industrial applications or outdoor applications, don't get caught needing to replace the connectors every couple of years because they corrode. Choose Garvin Industries stainless steel liquid tight connector. Comes complete with a cast stainless tightening gland where it attaches to your liquid tight conduit, as well as a sealing washer where it attaches to the box, stainless steel lock nut for securing it to the junction box, as well as a premium insulated throat preventing any wire abrasion when it's pulled through the conduit and into the box. Again, stop wasting money replacing liquid tight connectors. Choose Garvin stainless steel for a lifetime guarantee.